Hey, it's Matt at Sparkle Farm. I'm treating myself. I'm putting a new blade on the Stihl MS193t, and I'll show you what I got going on outside, but felt like it deserved a new chain. So I've got my Arnold all-in-one. Ooh, I don't like that at all. This is the first time I'm changing the blade on it. So the bolt doesn't actually come, the nut doesn't actually come off. I guess that keeps you from losing it, but I don't know, kind of threw me for a loop. So I think I'm going to try the Stihl 2-in-1 I'll get for this blade. It's the 1/4-inch one, but not today. Alright, let's put our bar on upside down, and Stihl Oil-O-Matic. I've come to realize there's no good deal on these anywhere. You just I just buy them from the local place. They you know, for original equipment, Stihl does a pretty good job. There we go. Wow, that other chain must have really been flexed. So I still don't like that. You know, it's nice, it goes together easy, but improvements, right? So let's get it close. A little too snug. So that's the one thing I don't like about these little chains saws. They only have the one nut on it. But bigger saw. Alright, now that we got that on, that was simple as can be. I'm going to put the old chain back in that box so I remember the specs on it, because I never do. And we're going to go from there. Alright, this is what I picked up yesterday and today. So it ended up being a 3 solid 5x8 loads of in my dump trailer. But that right there is a good portion of the rotten wood that was in the pile. The people are nice enough to give me all the stuff, and you know, I'm just trying to gather enough wood to stay ahead of burning in the workshop this winter. So this stuff's been sitting around for a couple years, and I don't know, they said they've been trying to give it away for a while, and I see why no one took it. It's all cut to long lengths, but with my wood burner I can take the longer lengths, but these are still too long, so I basically just need to half them, and they should fit in my wood burner. So it is what it is, but the reason I'm burning all that is that's all the rotten wood to get rid of it, and it's in a low spot in the yard, so I can spread that out. But I need well, I don't need to. I want to chop or cut up a bunch of the stuff and get it stacked under the overhang, just because we're supposed to have some rain rolling in for starting this evening for like 24 hours. So stuff is dry now. We've had a good week of dry weather, so I'll see how far I get.